Alright guys, here's the finished product part 2 to my bobber rear fender delete. This is the overall look. You know, it's not permanent, I'll change it again, but this is what I was shooting for. As you can see, here's that black piece of steel that I cut, and this is where I utilized that one piece I said that I would mount, and I actually put a screw right through the center of this. There's already a hole there, so that's where the tag is mounted. It's not mounted anywhere up here, as you can see. So I've got the wire from the back of it going down to the wire in here. I ended up cutting all my wires for my tail lights and the tag light and soldered them back together, just to keep it all from being all bunched up inside here. One thing I did notice, if you're going to do this, notice this light sticks out further than the right side. It's on the shock bolt, and for some reason, I guess that's just the way it's sized with the original fender or subframe. So that's kind of annoying. It kind of ruins the symmetry, but that was the look I was going for. Everything's sturdy, everything works. I like it. Like I said, I'll probably end up getting some smaller lights, but this is it for now. One project at a time. I'll go ahead and fire it up because I don't think I had any pipe sound of my Reinhardt's on the last one, so here we go.